Hello, myself, Dr. Humaira. I am from J.A.T. Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. My topic is MCQs in Zoology. So, some MCQs are given here. So, we will discuss about it. So, first of all, our first question is the drainage and handling properties of a clay soil can be improved by adding lime, that means calcium hydroxide. This is because lime causes the clay particles to dash dash. The options are number A, separate from each other, number B, lose water, C, go into solution, and D, clump together. So the correct answer is number D, clump together. That means when lime is added in a clay soil, then it clumps the particles of the soil together and helpful for drainage and handling property of soil, strengthens it and becomes porous. So, in such a way, the soil becomes hard and the flow of water becomes more in such condition. So, the correct answer is number D. Number second question is which one of the following types of bacteria reduces soil fertility? The answer is number A, decomposing bacteria. Number B, denitrifying bacteria. Number C, nitrifying bacteria. And number D, nitrogen fixation bacteria. So the correct answer is number B, denitrifying bacteria. So the denitrifying bacteria is helpful to reduce the soil fertility by forming the nitrogen or destroying the nitrogen and helpful to reduce the soil fertility. So in such a way the correct answer is B. Number third one, why does increasing the amount of humus in soil raise its air content? That means if soil becomes wet, then its air content capacity becomes more and more. The options are number A, the humus helps the formation of soil crumbs. Number B, carbon dioxide is released as the human decomposes. Number C, the humus folliculates the clay particles. And number D, the humus promote respiration of soil microorganisms. So the correct answer is the humus helps the formation of soil crumbs. So when formation of the soil crumbs takes place, then air content entry of the air in the soil becomes raised and the soil becomes more and more aerated. So correct answer is number A. Next question. In order to determine the pH of a sample of soil, the soil should be shaken with distilled water, filtered, and filtrate is tested with option number A, hydrogen carbon hydrogen carbonate indicator. Number B, lime water. C, litmus solution. B, wide range indicator solution. So option is number D, wide range indicator solution, which is helpful for the uh, determination of the pH. Next question is which characteristics of a soil is investigated using soil indicator solution, that means universal indicator. So options are number A, acidity, number B, humus content, number C, pesticide content, and the number D, water content. So the correct answer is acidity. That means Universal indicators are useful for the determination of the acidity of the soil. So correct answer is number A, acidity. Next question is, which component of fertile soil is reduced as the result of burning crops? The options are number A, calcium, B, clay, C, humus, and D, sand. So correct answer is humus. So when the soil is fertile and burning of the crop takes place, then by the help of the burning, the temperature becomes increases, and which is helpful to decline the humus of the soil. So, in such a way, the correct answer is C. The next question is, rivers are often used to dispose of following waste substance. The options are number A, detergents, number B, hot water, number C, mercury, and number D, oil. So correct answer is number B, hot water. So the waste are also present in the form of the detergents, mercury, oil, but the commonly the hot waters is enter or enter in the soil in the rivers, which is mostly large in scale, and commonly the hot water enters in the rivers because the industries in which the waste products are in the form of the hot water nearly mm, present at the bank of the rivers. So in the rivers mostly hot water is enter into the water, and the formation of the water pollution takes place by the help of hot water also. So the correct answer is hot water. Next question is, which of the following air pollutants could cause rain to be acidic? The options are smoke from wood fire, number B, dust particles from cement factories, number D, C, lead compounds from car exhaust, and number D, sulfur dioxide from coal fired power station. The question is, the pollutant cause rain to be acidic. So correct answer is sulfur dioxide from coal fired power station, that means option D. So the sulfur dioxide when we react with the water, then the acidic rainfall takes place. In such a way the rain becomes acidic. So correct answer is number D. Next question is, which one of the following would be an undesirable feature in a pesticide? The options are number A, it becomes more concentrated at each stage in the food web. Number B, it destroys one particular pest only. Number C, it breaks down within a few minutes. And number D, it destroys the immature forms of the pest. So the correct answer is number A. It becomes more concentrated at each stage in the food web. So this one is the correct one. The pesticide continuously used for the protection of the crops. So these pesticide or protection of the crops also. So these pesticides is concentrated in each stage of website and becomes harmful to the human beings besides other organisms, human beings also. So its correct answer is number A. The next question is, DDT has DDT has been largely replaced by other compounds as a pesticide because option is number A, breaks down readily in the soil. It is difficult to apply, destroy one particular pest only, and the last option is becomes concentrated at each stage in the food chain. So the correct answer is becomes concentrated at each stage in the food chain. That means option D. That means the question number 9 and 10 are of in the similar way, but in the asking in different manner. So in the question number D 10, the correct answer is D. Now this one is the correct answer of the given questions. So thanks a lot